good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks. Today is now Sunday, December the 15th, and today is the day of Sneaker Summit. Out here packing up the car. Got all this stuff, man. Hopefully, I might go out here, make a few connections, make a few sales, man. Really, the only thing shoe-wise I'm trying to grab is the MAniere lows. So that's really the mission for today, shoe-wise. I'm really trying to get those. It's my main point. Hopefully I don't leave without the low tops. I got the highs like you already seen in the video, man. So I'll keep y'all posted as we flow throughout the day, man. Finna pack up this car and get back with y'all in a minute, man. All right, so we in here now, man. Finally just finished kind of getting set up. Almost got a little bit more stuff to put up, but pretty much set up. Everybody got some heat out here, man. Some pretty cool kicks out here, but like I said, the only thing I'm really looking for is these MAniere Air Force One lows in the size 11. That's pretty much the only thing that really looking to spend my bread on. If it comes down to it, I'll definitely trade these. I'll definitely trade these Travis Forces for them, but that's really the only shoe that I'm just looking for. Like I said, everybody's still in here trying to get set up. Y'all miss Kim back here from the art event yesterday. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get an early start, man. Walking around just trying to find some folks, find these shoes before everybody else gets in. But if not, hopefully someone comes in that's not a vendor, and I'll be able to grab from a GA person. But we'll see, man. I'll keep y'all posted. Still on my hunt for the lows, just for the people that have already walked in so far. I've ran into a couple of 10s, 10.5s, and 12s, but no luck on the freaking size 11. But keep hope alive, man. I'm gonna find it. I promise, bro. I'm gonna find that joint. Doors back to open. This is the VIP in at 2:30. Everybody pretty much set up now, like super set up. Both sides. Everything's set up, man. I'm about to get a shot of my table. I'll show y'all. But I'm still on the hunt for these forces. I got a guy that hit me, say he was on the way. I got a trade for him. I'm gonna try to get that footage for sure so y'all can see how the trade really went down, man. Let me know if I won with this trade. If he comes through, bro. Stick with me, bro. We gonna see. full-fledged extra, man. I made my first sale, bro. Sold a pair of Bread 1 size 12 for $375, bro. The DMP pair from 09. I was trying to get rid of them. The dude came with a nice shirt, gave me a shirt, cut him a deal on extra for But it's Gucci, man. I got my boy Stockyard right here. Getting in with the jerseys, jugging all day. What's up, bro? Twin songs. Had a 9 in the bread, traded for that 8. Man, hey, we're lucky he gave me some bread. It's been about 2 hours now. It's like 5 o'clock. Still no signings. I'm on MAniere forces. Have sold a couple of pair of shorts. But the overall goal is these forces, and I haven't found them, man. So we gonna see, man. We got everybody out here. It's a really dope event. I'm so glad I set up, man. Met some cool people. Still meet good people. Well, let's find these forces. Size 11 lows, bro. I gotta find them.
Let me make sure you can't see. Can you see, bro? Can you see? Can you see? Move out the way. Okay, they can't see. You can see. All right, here we go. We got the shoes. You gonna put your mic up to him right there? You gonna put your mic? Ready? Set. Go.
This is Nike out by I'm working this right now. Should I would say Baker Max?
Come on.
This is an off-white Jordan 1. This is an Air Force 1. Baker Max.
Air Jordan 1. Off-white. Nike Air Jordan 1 off-white.
This is the NFT.
Oh shit, what is this?
Come on!
Nike Air Force 1.
This looks like the LV Duck
These are 70s by Pharrell.
This looks like a Duck Low.
No.
This is Air.
These are
Air Force.
Nike B-Gun.
Give it up, we got to win. It's okay.
Alright, y'all. Just left Sneaker Summer not so long ago. Went to the crib to drop off some stuff. Now I'm headed to complete the mission for the day. Just try to grab my shoes, man. So I'll let y'all know how that goes, how that ends up going. Hopefully, I can complete the mission. That's the only goal I had set myself for today. It's the only goal I set. So hopefully I can go ahead and get this done. I'm about to go ahead and make this drive, man. I'll keep y'all posted.